welcome back to another one of my videos. The title of the video explains what the video is all about, guys. So let's get into the video. Let's get into making this cake, okay? So guys, my cake mix here. This cake, I'm just doing it my way. I'm not really following the instruction on what's on the packet, okay guys, because the instruction says to empty this packet and put, it says here I should put 3 eggs, 1/3 cup oil, and 1 1/4 cup water. Now guys, I'm not gonna be doing it their way. I'm gonna be doing it my way, because there's no way I could be putting 1/3 cup oil in this thing and be enjoying this cake. That's too much oil. I have my egg here. The egg, I have to make sure it's good, right? So let me just break it over this, because I don't want to be putting in a bad egg. So it says to put the egg. I'm gonna be placing the egg into the container. I'm just doing it I'm just trying to make this the fastest way possible. I'm just gonna mix it in. It said to put the oil, the egg, and the water. So it says 3 eggs actually. 3 eggs. So I'm putting only 1 egg. I don't need 3 eggs in this. As long as I get a perfect like crumbly texture, that's what I'm aiming for. So 1 egg in opposed to 3 eggs. And then my egg went in. I'm not gonna put the oil, as I said. So I'm gonna put, and it says here a 1 1/4 cup water. So I'm just gonna be putting the Earth's Own milk, guys. I'm gonna be doing half of that. It's a 1 1/4 cup. So we put in 3/4 cup of the Earth's Own milk. And guys, I never tasted the Earth's Own milk for you to I told you I would tell you what Earth's Own milk tastes like. So I'm just gonna pour that in and stir in until I get a drop in consistency. Okay, so that's 3/4 cup of the milk, and I'm gonna taste the milk for you in a minute, okay guys? So you to tell you what I think about the milk, because I never tasted it when I made it used the milk the first time when I opened the milk. So I'm gonna taste it and let you know and give you my opinion of the milk. So I'm just mixing in. They say you should use a mixer, guide, for 2 minutes, but I'm just doing it this way because not everybody has a mixer, right? So I'm just doing it by hand to show you that it can be done. You don't have to be saying complaining, oh, I don't have a mixer, I don't have this and that. You do it by hand. So I'm just mixing in here. The mixer would do a better job and faster job, but I'm just doing it by hand here. And then I have my oven preheated to 350 degree. I have the oven preheating at 350 degree. And I have my pans here prepared, guys. I have my pans greased and floured, dredged with flour. I did that ahead of time. So all these lumpy pieces, guys, maybe I should have strained it. But I didn't strain it. I should have strained it to get rid of the lump. But anyways, that's already done. So if it's you know, strain it. Guys, I'm just gonna be adding the water here slowly until I get a drop in consistency. You fold your mixer in. So to fold your mixer in, you pull this way and just go in a circle, okay? And that's all I'm doing until I get a drop in consistency. So let me put some more, because this thing here says what, guys? A cup and a quarter of liquid. Three-quarter cup of milk. So guys, what do you think about this consistency? I think this is fine. That's drop-in consistency, right? You don't want to make it runny, drop-in. See? That's a drop-in consistency. I'm just trying to smooth it out some more because of the lump. So guys, the mixture has I'm gonna be putting some of this because the mixture has some chocolate, a chocolate powder, to give this a marble look. So I'm just gonna make the muffins plain. Okay, that is why I'm pouring some out before. I don't know how much is gonna be left behind, so I don't want to be short for the bake, this container here. So let me just put this powder in. Okay guys, so this cocoa powder here is to give it give the cake a fudge look. So I'm just gonna be putting a little bit here. I'm not gonna be using all of it. So guys, the recipe, and I'm just gonna add this mixture to get a marble color, because that's what the recipe says. But I'm putting it in my own container, guys. Like, I'm not doing it exactly as the recipe says. We're getting a cake. I'm putting it into the muffin tin and a small bake. Yeah, so yeah, I guess you make whatever design you want to make with it. So guys, while I'm waiting to serve the cake, I'm going to be putting some ice that I chopped up. Okay guys, chopped ice I'm gonna be putting into the Ninja here to make snow cone. Here I have my crushed ice. My crushed ice that I'm going to be using to make snow cone, guys. There it is. My ice here is crushed, and what do I have here, guys? What do you see here? Cake out of the oven, but let me first just make the snow cone here. So guys, here I'm making snow cone to go with my cake, because in Jamaica, guys, I miss buying snow cone. Coming home from school, I used to be buying snow cone, guys, and the way the snow cone is made, you pour the syrup on top of the ice. In the ice, it's all snow. See, the ice is all crushed. squeeze lime on here. Right, let's get back to the cake. We haven't forgotten about the cake. The muffin took, while the snow cone is chilling here, the muffin took I think half an hour, and then the cake took I think 40 to 45 minutes. But in order to know when your cake or your muffin is done, guys, you I can't find my skewer, but then you're just gonna be inserting the knife in the middle of your muffin, and if it's all clean, then you're good. And also the cake, same. You insert your knife in the middle and it's all clean. I'm just gonna get this to cool. You let your cake or your muffin cool, guys, before you take it out. Okay? You let it cool, because what happened is the cake, the muffin wasn't fully cool, and this is what happened. It broke like while coming out. But anyways, I'm just showing you that the texture is good. See? Crumbly texture. And this is what happened if you don't let your pan cool before you take your cake out. It's gonna stick and come apart. This piece was left behind in the bake tin, the muffin tin, but it's okay, it's not burned. See? Well done. And then the cake here, after the cake got cooled, I try to let this cool as much, so let me see. I hope it doesn't stick. Okay, not too bad. See? You guys, it came out. So if you let it fully cool, then it won't stick. And you see the flour, that is why you need to flour your pan. Grease your pan and flour your pan so that and then you guys saw me bake in this this glassware for the first time. It's the first time baking in a glassware. It's always in a tin. Okay, guys, I just want to show you. I showed you in the previous video ice cream. So then I thought it would be appropriate to have snow cone, because I promised you that I bought the syrup. I told you that I bought the syrup to buy snow cone. But see, my cake is not burnt. So come on, guys, give the video a thumbs up, guys. Please give the video a thumbs up. I did not do too bad. So guys, comment down below. Please comment down below and let me know what you think about these muffin and cake. Okay, guys, please give the video a thumbs up. So guys, I'm just gonna be testing these muffins. I'll test the muffin for you to see, and see, guys, the texture is crumbly. See, crumbly texture and nice golden color. The cake is good, guys. I like the texture. I'm happy. Because, guys, whenever you buy these cakes, you don't know what the person that put together this recipe, you don't know what they were thinking about. Like with this cake, that amount of oil would turn my stomach. I couldn't eat this cake, guys. So just let me taste my snow cone. Hold on, guys, I have to hold on to this ice so it doesn't. Guys, I needed a straw. But this is good.